We are going to continue looking at locations on a proportional line and what they mean in relation to each other and in relation to the origin. So I'm going to be looking at a diagram below, and this is a distance time graph. The line that you see here, it shows the journey of a bus from city A to city B. Notice that when I scroll down, my x-axis is the time the bus route takes, and my y-axis is the distance in miles. So my first question, it says the bus leaves city A at 9 o'clock. So I'm going to look down here. Sure enough, it's leaving at 9 o'clock from city A. And it arrives in city B, at 9:30. Sure enough, that is when it's arriving. So my first question is how far is it from city A to city B? I want you to pause me here and predict your answer. So if I start at the bottom on distance, because they're asking me how far is it from city A to city B, it looks like I'm counting by fives. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 will get me to city B. It appears they are 25 miles apart. If that's what you predicted, good job. My second question, how long does the bus journey take? Well, this one I need to make sure that I'm watching the time axis, which is my x-axis. So down here it left at 9, it was still traveling at 9:10, still traveling at 9:20, but it ended up at city B at 9:30. So pause me while you calculate how long that journey took. From 9 o'clock to 9:30 is 30 minutes. So if you said 30 minutes, good job. All right, let's scroll down for some more questions. Another bus leaves city B at 9 o'clock and arrives back at city A at 9:30. They want me to draw a line on the diagram to show the journey of this second bus. So I've made a drawing here to show that. I have the second bus in red. It left city B. It went to city A. It took a half an hour. So this red line is the journey that bus B took. Now using that, I'm going to answer the next question. At what time do the two buses pass each other? Well, let's take a look at that. So the two buses are passing right here, and they didn't ask me the distance, they asked me the time. So I need to look down at my x-axis. And I have to be especially careful to see what these little grid marks stand for. So it appears that they're each 2 minutes. So this would be 9:12, 9:14, 9:16, 9:18, and 9:20. So if I were to go straight down from this intersection, I would know when the two buses are going to pass. Go ahead, pause me, and make your prediction. If you predicted 9:15, you're right on the money. All right, now we're going to make it a little more complicated. Buses are going to leave city A and city B every 10 minutes during the morning, repeating the two journeys shown in the graph. And now they want me to draw a line to show a bus leaving city A at 9:20. So I'm going to go back to my drawing. I want a line that will leave city A at 9:20. Now I know that bus is going to take 30 minutes to get there. So I'm going to go past 9:30, 9:40, and I'm going to stop at 9:50 in city B. Now what do they want me to do with that line? Well, it says how many buses traveling in the opposite direction will this bus meet before it reaches city B? Well, let's go back and think about this for a minute, because it says buses leave every 10 minutes from city B. Every 10 minutes. So let me go back. And I want a line The last bus left at 9 o'clock, so 10 minutes from then, the next bus would leave at 9:10. Taking a half an hour, would arrive at 9:40. 10 minutes after that, at 9:20, another bus will leave. Taking a half an hour, will arrive at 9:50. 10 minutes after that, another bus is going to leave at 9:30. Taking a half an hour to travel, will arrive at 10 o'clock. Another bus will leave 10 minutes after that one. Will take a half an hour to travel, will arrive at 10:10. And I think I am going to be able to figure out my answer. So let me change the colors of these lines so that I know they're coming from City B. These are all my City B buses. They're leaving every 10 minutes. All right. So the question was, this bus from City A to City B, how many buses going in the opposite direction will it encounter on its path? So it looks like it'll encounter how many? Pause me and make your prediction. All right, so it will encounter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buses going in the other direction before it makes it to City B. All right, one more question. How far is the bus from City A when it meets the first bus traveling in the opposite direction? Well, here is my bus going from A to B. The first intersection is right here, and they wanted distance this time. So I need to focus on my y-axis. And it looks like I'm counting by ones if I look at my smallest grid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So let's go from this first intersection straight across. Make your prediction. How far will bus A have traveled before it intersects with the first bus going in the opposite direction? Go ahead and pause me. If you said it would happen at 4 miles, you're exactly right. All right, so it looks like we have finished looking at this activity. I hope that you learned something new today.